Good morning. Happy Friday. My name is Patrick Carey, and I'm your campus weather forecaster for today. We're already getting up to those upper 60s. Look at the 69 up in Columbia, staying into those lower 60s south of Jefferson City, even getting closer to 70 up in Marshall, and that's going to continue to rise as this day goes on. But the bigger story of this weekend, of course, is rain, and we've needed rain at least the last few weeks as we're in more of a moderate drought across much of mid-Missouri. And some of that rain we could see into this afternoon and the early hours of today. If you're heading up north towards Quincy, you might see some more of those showers and a lot of this precipitation that's going to come through the course of tonight and into tomorrow is going to be more of this light precipitation. You might hear a few rumbles of thunder, but most of all, it's going to stay relatively light. And you might see even a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the early hours into Saturday. But through much of Saturday, we're going to be fairly dry. Look at highs into those upper 80s. A little taste of summer. I know we're getting close to school being out in terms of the spring semesters. A little taste of summer ain't nothing to be sad about. But you could see more of this rain forming across much of mid-Missouri. Those upper 80s across much of Saturday. And that's going to continue pretty much through the rest of the weekend. Still more of these showers pushing through into late Saturday and into Sunday is when we start seeing more of those washout kind of conditions. You see more of that heavier precipitation, maybe still rumbles of thunder. It's going to be very warm, 82, just up into the 90s into parts of Kansas. So another warm weekend on tap, at least for the next few days. And even into Sunday evening, this is going to be more of that heavier precipitation. Those colors into the oranges being more heavier rain, yellows, heavy, moderate rainfall, and of course green being the colors we're used to seeing much of the year. This is going to be more of those thunderstorms that are probably going to pass through Sunday evening. And they'll definitely clear out of the area before any early morning Monday finals. So leave that umbrella at home when it comes to Monday, although there are still chances of some showers passing through Monday afternoon. Over the next few hours, though, we're going to continue climbing into those mid-70s through much of today, 73 right around the afternoon, and continue dropping as the night goes on. We're going to get into those maybe lower 60s as the night goes on. Might even see some areas staying well into those mid-60s tonight. Still, isolated showers. Might see a few rumbles of thunder, hear a few rumbles of thunder, but nothing to be concerned about in terms of severe weather. Over the next few days in the weekend, though, we're going to get into those close to the 90s. 90 on Sunday. Still, isolated showers, isolated thunderstorms potential through all of the weekend. There's a lot of ingredients put together for these storms to pop up. There are more of those pop-up variety. So something to keep track of any plans this weekend. And then still going into those mid-80s as we get into this active weather pattern that could bring much needed rain here to mid-Missouri.